So now let's look at a plumbing project that we have. What we're looking at here is the back side of our shower. So our bathroom is on the other side of this wall, and this is the shower connection here. And what happened here, we're standing in the same compartment that houses the generator, just on the other side of that compartment. And when I had worked on the generator and thought I had it fixed, I was loading some things that we keep in this storage area. And one of the things, well, there's two of these cast nets that you catch bait fish with. And unfortunately, as I was lowering this down in, I actually hit these two connectors that went right here. And the weights hit, and they broke this in two different places. So I'm having to replace this. Now the challenge is that this type of pipe, which is stuck back up under here now, here's this pipe. This type of pipe is really no longer sold. This is from the late 90s when this system was put in. And so now we're trying to replace this with other types of parts. So wish me luck on that. Here is the new piece. We're going to try to replace this broken piece with this piece. And so what happens with this one, this will screw on here, and then this pipe will be glued in here. And hopefully it will stay. I'm not sure. This is under pressure. And so we'll see if the glue will hold this, as the plumbing person at Ace Hardware told me they thought it would do. So we'll put this together and see what happens. Step one is to wrap a few turns of plumber's tape around here. And now we'll put this on, and hopefully it will go on, and we'll see how that works. I'll tighten that down. Okay, so the replacing of the busted adapter in the shower that I broke the other day has turned into a complete replacement of the shower. All right, here we go. So if any of the Manta owners are wondering if this type of SharkBite connector will work with the old style Manta polybutylene piping that's no longer sold, there's the answer. It's yes. That is under pressure, and at the moment we have no leaks. So you can see the SharkBites here and here, and then the old style here and here going up to the shower head. But at the moment she seems to be holding, and the SharkBite polybutylene connections are dry as bone. Adios.